Chapter 1, Role of the Actuary. In this slides, we are going to discuss prudential supervision as it is one of the regulatory roles of the actuary. Learning outcome. At the end of this subtopic you will be able to explain the task of an actuary, describe the areas involving actuarial knowledge, know how to apply basic actuarial knowledge. Firstly, prudential supervision, referred to simply as supervision, which means regulators overlook financial institutions to guarantee they are operating wisely. It is also to reduce the risk that may happen to policyholders, depositors and other individuals who will suffer losses from the collapse of institution. Next, institution needs to understand the risks it is taking and not rashly sell products or take any commitments which may expose to unexpected problems. It needs to charge sufficient prices or otherwise generate sufficient cash inflow and set aside sufficient assets, suitably invested to cover the liability for its commitments with a margin for safety. It needs to analyze its experience and build models of the future if they want to do all this. Lastly, regulators may delegate some activities that support prudential supervision to actuaries. The directors of financial institution require to seek actuarial advice when it comes to design products, set prices and/or when determining what amount of assets should be held. They require to have an actuary's overview for the whole of the operations of the institutions because the actuary may have to approve what is done, or simply provide advice, which the directors can choose to take or ignore. Now, we are going to learn the importance of prudential supervision. 1. The actuarial profession is especially well placed to support regulators in safeguarding the interest of policyholders. 2. This is because profession's training and practice provides insights and experience in managing the risks which insurance companies face. 3. To promote high standards of actuarial practice in regard to insurance finances. 4. Could be done by promoting common standards for examining technical competence, for professional conduct and for disciplinary procedures. Last slide is about the range of actuarial involvement in prudential supervision. Supervision is best served by involving the actuary in all of the 5 areas for which active actuarial participation may be considered valuable are: pricing and product design, monitoring the expectations of policyholders and potential policyholders where policies allow the management of insurance companies to exercise discretion over contractual terms and conditions, establishing aggregate policy and claim liabilities. Another 2 ranges are determining compliance with legal or regulatory capital requirements when applicable and recommending appropriate capital levels, and reporting responsibility directly to the board and, if statutorily required, to regulators. Here are some websites and book where you can refer to for more information. That's all from these slides. Thank you and hope you will learn something.